2024 Ford Ranger Raptor in America launch and price. The facade as well as the interior were photographed by an unidentified source. Speculation has now spread like wildfire over the internet. Learn more about what the 2024 Ford Ranger Raptor has in store for you here. Will the 2024 Ford Ranger Raptor be available in the United States? The Ford Ranger Raptor 2024 will definitely be available in the United States. In point of fact, All Terrain Nation claims that a few models have already made their way here. Someone working at the Ford facility uploaded several pictures showing the Ranger Raptor in various stages of manufacturing. The fact that production of some models has already begun in the United States is quite encouraging, since it suggests that the next generation Ford Ranger may soon go on sale. It is anticipated that it will be available at dealerships by the summer or fall. There has been no formal announcement on the opening of the order books yet. There is a possibility that manufacture of the regular Ranger will begin in May, although other sources claim that it will begin production in July. In any case, our approach will be more successful. In addition, the Ford Ranger Raptor appears to be out of place when it is being assembled. It is in front of a large number of different models of the Ford Bronco. This may indicate that the assembly facility is not yet prepared to move over from producing the previous model of the Ranger to the new one that is being introduced. What can drivers anticipate from the 2024 Ranger Raptor? According to what we have observed, the off-roading capabilities of the 2024 Ford Ranger Raptor are enhanced by the addition of a suspension lift and bare all-terrain tires. Also, it boasts a twin exhaust system that has the potential to produce a really pleasing sound. If it is anything like the Ford Bronco Raptor, then it will most likely have a number of different exhaust settings, including a performance mode and a quiet option. The Ford Bronco Raptor appears to be an exact replica of the model that was sold in other countries. It's possible that this is a pre-production model that looks somewhat different from the one sold in the United States. It really stands out thanks to the orange accents and Raptor branding. Also, the rear brake light was relocated within the cab from its previous location on the tailboard. It is perched atop a little power window that is located in the back. The interior is identical to that of the other Raptor variants, featuring red accent stitching and black upholstery. Even the steering wheel has a crimson accent, which can be seen here. The upgraded 12.1-inch display for the infotainment system has a clean and contemporary appearance. It is possible that the Ford Ranger Raptor will be driven by the twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine that is standard in European versions of the vehicle. This engine produces 392 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque. Yet, it is also possible that it will have 418 horsepower and 440 pound-feet of torque, just as the Bronco Raptor. Also, the Bronco Raptor's suspension components, like as the live valve Fox shocks, could be borrowed by the Ford Ranger Raptor in order to improve its own ride quality. What will the price tag be on the 2024 Ranger Raptor? Although Ford has not yet disclosed how much the 2024 Ford Ranger Raptor will cost, consumers should anticipate paying a premium for the vehicle. It is anticipated that the base model of the 2024 Ranger will begin somewhere around $30,000, while the Wildtrak trim could push the price up to $40,000. Because of this, the base price of the Ford Ranger Raptor could be at around $50,000. Its chief rival, the 2023 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro, has a base price of $47,185 and currently poses the most formidable challenge. But, the TRD Pro does not come with a more powerful engine.